Hi there, students. Friable. Friable with an I, not a Y. Okay, something that is friable is easily broken up into small bits. It's crumbly. This word friable is particularly used for earth and soil. So, why do people dig their garden before they plant things? Well, firstly, to get out the weeds and the unwanted plants, but also if you dig your soil, it makes it much more friable. It makes it much more crumbly. If you add very small stones, little tiny stones to it as well, that makes the soil again more friable. Yeah, it's loose and it's got large grains to it. Okay, so something that's friable is easily broken into small factors. Okay, so friable, a friable soil, easily broken. It's definitely crumbly. The soil in this part of the garden is much more friable. I picked up a piece of earth and crumbled it easily in my hand because it was really quite a friable piece of soil. So it's something that's easy to crumble, easy to break up into little bits. I think if something has a lot of water, normally it is less friable. I was thinking about pastry. If you take flour and sugar and add butter to it, you make a powder. And then if you start to add fat, it becomes less and less friable. It becomes less and less crumbly. And that's the idea. So friable rock that is easy to break into pieces. I've noticed that some types of granite are very, very hard, but others are much more friable and tend to break into pieces. So powdery, breakable, crumbly, something that you can break apart in your hand, and that's the idea of friable. So, formality. What am I going to say? I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality. And as to origin, it comes from French, which itself comes from Latin. Friabilis, friable, from frio, I crumble, I break up. Yeah, so friability. A solid that breaks quite easily into smaller pieces, particularly by rubbing it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Friable.